Hello buddies, today I made crispy crunchy taco shells. Yes, this will be easier for you to make as well if you'll be following or if you're going to follow the steps I will be listing or I'll be saying in this video. So relax and enjoy this video. You can use these taco shells for any fillings of your choice, and believe me, you're going to love it absolutely. My special greetings today goes to Rebecca Oluwafemi from Nigeria. Thank you for your wonderful comments and also for engaging on my videos. Thank you so much. So to start this, you add in 1 cup of cornmeal into a bowl. Next, you add in half cup of all-purpose flour. Next, you add half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of dry oregano, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then you're going to start mixing this with your water. You measure out about 95 grams of water or half cup of water. You go ahead to use this to mix everything thoroughly. While mixing, you apply a little bit of vegetable oil on your work surface, then transfer this dough and just combine the dough or knead the dough a little till the dough will stop sticking. Okay, so once your dough stops to stick to your hands, it will become smooth like this. Then you're going to wrap this dough and let it sit for like 8 minutes or 10 minutes thereabout. Okay, so after the 10 minutes, you take out this dough from the wrap, apply enough flour on your work surface, then you take a little bit or a little batch or a little portion from this dough, then you're going to roll it out. Now while rolling this out, you don't need to be hard on it, just roll it out gently. Okay, make sure that you apply enough flour to this so it doesn't stick. So you have to roll it out gently, because if you roll it out with force, or maybe you are too harsh or hard on the dough, it's going to stick to your work surface and you're not going to like it. So you have to roll it out gently till it is almost thin, just as you see in the video. Okay, so once you have rolled it out this way, you have to get something that you can use to cut it out to a smooth round shape. So I use this my meat pie cutter to cut it out so that I will have a smooth round edge, just as you see. Then apply some flour on a plate or in a tray. Then before that, you poke some holes on it using your fork. Take this and just keep it aside, or transfer it into the plate or the tray and keep it aside. Just that way, you go ahead and make the second one as well. Apply flour on your work surface, transfer this onto the work surface, and gently, gradually roll it out. If you see any place that is sticky, you can apply a little flour on that place, and then you keep rolling it out till it is almost thin. Okay, so once you get to that thickness, you're going to use your cutter and then cut it out to a round smooth shape. Okay, so that the edges are going to be round and your tacos are also going to have the same sizes. Okay, they're going to be of the same size. So once you have done that, you poke your holes with your fork as well. Then take this out and keep aside. One thing you should not do is don't keep these tacos, these raw ones, on each other, like placing them one on the other. No, if you do that, maybe by the time you'll be ready to fry them, they are going to stick together and it will be difficult for you to separate. Okay, so even if you want to keep them, you just have to let one part of it be out from the other, okay, so that you can easily remove it when you want to fry it. You don't keep all of them one on each other too much so they don't stick together. Now, once your raw taco shells are ready, you place your oil on heat. Make sure your oil has heated up very well. Then you reduce it to medium heat. Drop in these raw taco shells into the oil and let it start frying. Okay, you're going to, if your pan is not that big, just fry it once at a time. It's better. So you have to fry it like 2 minutes on each side. You keep on frying this until you see it kind of puffy. You see some puff on some sides, and also you see it kind of trying to brown a little, and it will feel like it's kind of stiffening, like, okay. Then you're going to take it out from the oil, and immediately you're taking it out from the oil, transfer immediately to your kitchen towel, okay. Transfer immediately and then place your rolling pin immediately on it. If you waste any time, it's going to dry out and it will break mercilessly. So you have to do this close to your hot plate or to your cooker. So immediately you are taking it out from the oil, you are immediately placing it on your kitchen towel, and you are also immediately placing your rolling pin on it. That is how it works. You have to be very fast in it, because if you take any time, it's going to crack, it's going to break, and you won't like it. Okay, so the first one I did broke as in scattered. So the second one, it broke a little, okay, because I wasn't too fast. But the last one I did, I was super fast. So that is why I don't want to I don't want you guys to make same mistakes. So you have to be very fast. Immediately you're taking it out from the heat, transfer it to your towel and place the rolling pin on it immediately, and then hold it for some seconds or a minute, and then it will take its shape and you are good to go. I hope you're going to try this recipe, and please, when you do, let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you.